Thank you so much for coming back to my channel. Today is week number 2 for Vita, which is every day in April. And this week, what I'm going to do is take this look and totally deconstruct it so you can see each step in really bite-sized bite-sized pieces of how you can approach this. So if you need just one little piece, you can go straight to that and see how it's done. Don't forget to like and subscribe and check it out. Thank you so much. Okay, so we're almost done with this deconstructed face, and today I'm going to show you how I like to apply my mascara. And what I'm in love with currently is from Lancome. I've got the Lancome eyelash primer and the Lancome Big Monsieur. I hope I pronounced it right. Like I said in the last video, I don't speak French, I only speak English. I hope I'm saying it correctly. But if you look closely, I do not have good eyelashes. And actually, I don't like wearing false lashes. I don't like the way they feel. I love putting them on other people because they look beautiful. I don't like the way how they feel on me. So I love this duo because it does wonders for me. So the trick with mascara, there actually is a way to apply mascara, believe it or not. And I'm going to apply the primer first, just like you do any other primer. I'm going to do the top layer of the lashes first, from corner to corner, and then the underside like usual, and then the lower lashes like usual. And I like to apply the primer until I see nice white lashes. Okay, so that was the primer, and now we're gonna go in with the mascara. See this spoolie, and I think this is what you pay money for when you get a good mascara, this thick spoolie with all those little fibers in it. So you're gonna do the underside first, with the top side, however you want to say it. And then when you're applying the mascara, you want to roll it. That is funny. I'm using the glass from my lens as my mirror so I can get right up in it, and I just poke myself in the eye. Don't do that at home. You see how much better my lashes look? That's my quick and easy way to apply mascara. Do the underside first and then roll it up. There you go. Come back. There's just, I think the only one next is contour.